Today I am going to discuss about insurance in India, protection or confusion for the Aam Aadmi. Means today I want to discuss about insurance and whether it is protecting or confusing common people of India. So before starting this, I want to I want to let you think that let's hypothetically think that you are a middle class family in India and you suddenly face a medical emergency crisis. What happened when you face this? Your 3 lakh, 4 lakh or total savings completely finished, and what you do? Nothing, you can't do anything for future, like whatever you have saved for the future, in 1 second or in one medical emergency everything will be washed out. So what you can do to save yourself from this situation? So today I am going to discuss about all these things. Now the irony of India is that India has one of the fastest growing insurance markets, and yet millions of people are either underinsured or worse, misinformed. So the real question is insurance actually protecting the Aam Aadmi or just confusing them? So I want to talk about insurance in a simple language without using any jargon or any standard English language. What is insurance? Common people think that we give some amount as a premium and after some time we receive in multiplier of 10 times, 20 times, 50 times from the company. But is this really true? What do you think? If we think this is not true, because if we think that we give some amount as a premium to some company and we receive in multiplier of 50 or 100 times from the same company, and this is insurance, this is completely wrong. I think insurance is a safety net which saved from the medical emergency. What I was talking in the beginning, that if one medical emergency come in the family, then what happen? Your suddenly whole savings from last 10 years, 20 years, you were saving some amount of money and suddenly finished, your bank account is zero. So what do you do? What you can do to save yourself from this situation? Actually, you buy a safety net which is called insurance. You pay some small amount as a premium and return company promises to cover big risk. Sounds fair, right? But here is the twist. Most people don't buy insurance for protection. They buy it because someone sold to them. And what's where things start going wrong? So let's understand this. We first we under, understand the concept of insurance in a wrong way. We usually presume that I will give some amount as a premium and company will give us amount in a multiplier of 50 times or 100 times in back. But this is not true. Second mistake we usually do, that we don't buy insurance because we want to use this as a safety net, but we buy insurance because some agent from some company come in our house and say and present before us that, sir, if you will buy this insurance, this much amount you will get back in future. If you want this insurance, you will get this facility in future. And that's why we usually buy. I'm not talking about aware citizen of India. who usually do something after thinking. I'm talking about common people who is living in India. So I think LIC is the biggest insurance company for in India, and how they have expanded their market to even the last people of India. We all know they send some agent in house of villagers, and policy sellers what usually told the sir, if you will give some amount as a premium, after 20 years you will get some money back, and that's why they buy. But let's look at the ground reality. Less than 30% of Indians have adequate health insurance. Most of pocket expenditure still accounts for nearly 48% of healthcare cost. Millions fall into poverty every year due to medical expenses. And so even we are the fastest growing nations. We are our economy is growing fastest in the world. We are the fastest fastest growing as in terms of GDP, and still our citizen does not have insurance. Less than 30% Indians have health insurance, and more. And I think only 5% of Indians know that what is the use of health insurance. I think 25% of Indians who have insurance, they buy it because they want to get back money in multiplier of 100 times in future. That's why they have bought that insurance. And I think 10% of Indians who have health insurance who falls in poverty because of health insurance premium. This is the reality of India. And the why this is happening, because lack of awareness. Most people don't understand what is covered in insurance, what is not covered in insurance, when they can claim insurance, where they can get back that much premium amount back from company. And the result because of this, people discover the truth after the claim is rejected. And this is not the mistake of people, but this is the mistake of policy seller who sells their policy to common people without telling the truth about policy. Have you ever heard this line, sir ये policy investment भी है और insurance भी? You are about to buy something complicated and expensive. Many agents push policies that give them high commission, not necessarily what you need. Third one is affordability issues. For daily basis worker or low income families, paying 10,000 20,000 annually for insurance is not easy. So what do? They escape it and pray nothing goes wrong. A spoiler, life doesn't work like that. Now it's not all bad. The government has introduced a scheme like Ayushman Bharat, in which covers up to 5 lakh rupees for poor families. And it sounds amazing, right? But here is the catch. The- I think very low number of people who know about the true use of PMJY. Right now I am doing survey in Amist ward of Mumbai, and I can say that if I have asked 100 families, only 5 families hardly know that what is the use of PMJY, what is Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, which type of insurance, which type of disease is covered, how we can use that for as a safety net for saving us. So limited awareness, limited hospital access in some areas, implementation gap. So while the intention is solid behind this, but execution still needs work. Let's talk about some popular myth. मुझे इंश्योरेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है. कब तक? Until one hospital bill proves us wrong. कंपनी सब कवर करेगी. No, there are exclusions, waiting periods and fine print. यंग हूँ, बाद में ले लूँगा. But what happens? Premium increases with age, health risk too. Delaying insurance is like buying an umbrella after it start raining. So, what should Aam Aadmi do from repaying or from paying too much medical cost? I think they should start with health insurance. This is non-negotiable. I think everyone should have health insurance, either provided by government or private insurance. Policy sellers should avoid mixing health insurance with investment, or persons who are buying health insurance should avoid mixing insurance with investment. Read the policy properly. At least ask someone who is much more educated in your area or in your locality. Ask them that I am going to buy this insurance, what is the possibility, what can happen. Compare before buying. Don't trust just one agent. Ask all the companies, all the options which are available for you, and use government schemes if eligible. If you are belonging to the category for which there are government insurance scheme is there, please use that. Don't buy insurance scheme in a hurry, because insurance is not luxury, it's a survival planning. So next time if someone says you that insurance ले लो सर फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो जाएगा, don't just nod. Ask question, understand, decides, because in India insurance doesn't fail people, lack of understanding does. Middle class Indian doesn't fear death, it fears hospital bills. So next time if you heard terms like insurance, please think about this. And if you are eligible for government insurance scheme, use government insurance scheme, or if you are capable of buying health insurance, please buy, and don't use this uh, as a money investment account. It is a safety net, so just buy it as a safety net which will protect your family from suddenly falling into poverty or paying high bill. Thank you.